judiciary, I'd like to request Mr. Shudipto Shekhar Devnath ji, न्यायाधीश त्रिपुरा उच्च न्यायालय, Khumpui Chandra Das ji को स्टेट ऑर्गेनाइजिंग सेक्रेटरी, पूर्व न्यायाधीश त्रिपुरा उच्च न्यायालय, न्यायमूर्ति S.C. दास जी का एवं स्मृति चिन्ह से हमारे पारंपरिक दृश्य एवं स्मृति चिन्ह स्टेट जीनियस ऑफ ABAP प्रणित्य संघ चालू
seminar. It is a very timely program they have thought of. Today's topic of seminar, we are not the resource person today. I am not the resource person today. Resource persons are Mr. Abhinav Tomar and Akash Bajpai. The workshop, I think, has been premised to delve into the intricacies of the 3 new criminal laws, and they will deal with it. The object of today's program and the topic the organizers has selected, the reformation and recent modification of criminal judicial system in India. So the reformation and recent modification, why this reformation was necessitated, why our legislatures has thought of framing a new enactment and to repeal the earlier colonial laws, the Criminal Procedure Code, the Indian Penal Code, and Indian Evidence Act. These are the laws framed by the Britishers. I always wonder why we could not frame a law of our own even after the 75 years of our independence. Now, the framers, the legislatures of our country has brought into force the 3 new criminal laws, repealing the earlier laws on the subject. The legislature has given its nomenclature Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Samhita 2023, Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita and Bharatiya Saksha Samhita. Earlier Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Samhita was titled as Criminal Procedure Code. Now we have nomenclature it Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha.
हमारे चीफ स्पीकर्स, so we would like to felicitate our chief speaker Devnath, Joint Secretary of ABAP, to address the gathering. So Abhinav Tomar, Assistant Professor एवं स्मृति चिन्ह से हमारे गेस्ट हैं, तो आई नो थोड़ा awkward हो जाता है, that's why उन्होंने नेम द